Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to fix echoing or echo in your Zoom meetings really quickly. So let us get started right away. It is very simple, guys. Launch the Zoom application on your PC or laptop, log into your account. But before you start a new meeting with that annoying echoing issue, what you want to do, guys, before that is head over to your account settings by clicking on that profile icon in the top right and by selecting settings here. And inside your account settings, switch from general here in the left hand or left panel to audio. After that, make sure that you go through that standard setup here, test your speakers, your microphone's quality, and also make sure that given that the correct audio or recording device is selected here. However, guys, that will definitely or probably not fix the echoing issue. However, I would still recommend to go through that setup just to be sure. So guys, to fix that echoing issue, click on advanced here at the bottom to access advanced settings. And basically what you will need to do, guys, is enable echo cancellation. If you haven't done that yet, click on that arrow down icon. Usually it should be on auto or on default. However, guys, you may enable it by selecting high echo cancellation, and that should fix the issue, guys. Once that's done, simply close your settings, start a new meeting, and the echoing or echo issue in your meeting should be fixed. If that's the case, guys, or if that's not the case, please let us know in the comments down below how you fixed this or if this method worked for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.